Gateway is a solution that's driven by community, by Calgarians, to ensure that Canada continues to be the best place in the world to live, work, and play. Right now, we are only seeing 30% of newcomers. Wouldn't that be great if Calgarians or Canadians, if we come up with a way to onboard new Canadians quicker, faster, so that they unleash their economic, social, and civic potential?
The problem that we're trying to solve with our Gateway Transformation project is to enable newcomers to get better quality and easier access to services that already exist. There's a huge gap between services that are available and their utilization by our newcomers. At the heart of the Gateway system is the creation of a standardized needs assessment and referral process for all newcomers that are coming to Calgary.
The Gateway project is a transformation not only to ISC but to the sector, in which we will become at ISC the single point of entry or access into the newcomer serving agency world in Calgary. So essentially what that means is we're currently developing a needs assessment, and we're standardizing that needs assessment to be able to provide that assessment across various locations in Calgary, so we're all following the same standard. But the aim of that is to really improve the coordination of services between agencies, so there's less replication of work, less duplication of efforts, increased efficiencies, and increased coordination. From the newcomer's perspective, they only have to tell their story once. Ultimately, it will reduce the number of hours that staff spend taking intake and doing that initial assessment, when ultimately the client may not even stay with that agency throughout the course of their newcomer journey.
Rather than being reactive, as we're gathering data and information and understanding their stories a little bit better at the outset, we're better able to say, here's what we're seeing, here are some of the trends, here's what's coming across in the stories, and being able to create a model that not only sets up that initial assessment and referral, but one that follows them through as they start their life here in Canada, and we get a sense of how good of a job we're doing.
For newcomers that are coming to Canada, I will say this to you. You will succeed here. You will unleash your economic, social, and civic potential. If you have a family, they will be successful here. If you've got kids, they'll be the best version of themselves. That's a no-brainer. And the Gateway program will actually be the catalyst to help ensure that you get there faster.